everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Ford Mustang. This is a rare factory Q code 351 Cobra Jet car, true Mach with a Marti Report. And a good car, guys. I actually just took this in on trade from a couple out of up the East Coast. Great people, car people. Matter of fact, this was actually his wife's car, and he'd sent me multiple pictures of her holding different trophies at different car shows. So this is a multiple show winner, guys. Good car, again, true car. This is a real car. Factory color combination. It's that bright blue metallic. It's got the silver Mach 1 striping, and it's got the blue knit Mach 1 interior in it. Ram air hood. It's got 15-inch BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Good looking car. Really cool color combination. Very well maintained. Like I said, these are car people. In fact, I think they just sent Nathan a receipt where just in the last year, they've spent $9,000 on this car. They maintain their stuff. Front and rear spoilers. It's got the Enduro Mach 1 front bumper on it, and that's in real good shape. Normally they're all cracked up. Ram air hood. Dash in there's nice, getting slick paint. It's got the rear window louvers. Rear deck spoiler. Nice and straight down the sides there. Again, 15-inch chrome Magnums with BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Really pretty car. Little stone pack, a few little things to pick at, but just a good car, guys. Really nice car. Factory 4-speed car too, which is really cool. A little touch up there. Front disc brakes. And I can tell you, we were lucky enough, we got back there and snapped a picture. If you know where they put the VINs on the blocks in these cars, they're real hard to get at, but we got lucky, we got a picture. We can tell you that this is a matching numbers 351 Cobra Jet car. The VIN is on the back of that block there. 4-barrel stock intake, it's got headers on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes, again, factory 4-speed manual transmission. Does have the ram air hood. Detailed up real nice under here. They put the little inspection stickers on it. Really nice car. I actually didn't get to drive this one. Nathan took it and drove it, said it really drove out good. Been on the road, man. I've been buying cars. Went to northern Michigan yesterday. Door seams are nice and clean. There's your door tag. Remote driver's mirror. Now these are actually, the TMI has come out with some really cool stuff. These are actually TMI seats. They look kind of factory, except for they got the extra bolstering. They're way more comfortable than factory, and they hold you in there nicely. Let me see if I can do it. I can't use my left shoulder to show you the back seat. Gotta quit that weightlifting, getting myself hurt. Oh, you know, I don't know if I showed you the jam, sorry. Got ahead of myself with the seats. Yeah, factory buckets, or not factory, TMI bucket seats. It's got the rim blow horn and it does work. Couple little cracks on your steering wheel. Factory tacking gauges. He said that it's showing 1,082, just turned over 100. Hurst shifter, it's got an aftermarket radio in there. Good sound, an H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. Factory rear axle. It does have a 350 gear. It's a it's got Lakewood traction pipes in it. Aftermarket speakers in here. There is the Marti Report. And we do have a receipt that we're going to send with it too. Like I say, they just spent a bunch of money on it. Like I say, they're definitely car people. Multiple cars. They definitely maintain their stuff. Nice underneath. Scott Drake rear shocks. Definitely something if you're looking for take your local shows and cruises. I think you'll just have a blast with the car. Again, real car, matching numbers car, factory 4-speed car. Sorry, I can't use my left shoulder real well right now, so seats are nice. TMI is really coming out with some nice stuff. Dash is clean. Dual sport mirrors. Nice car, man. Really nice car. That's a good looking body style right there. Good sound. Tach works, gauges work. It said blower motor radio in there works. Rim blow horn does work too, guys. With the sun right behind us. Radio works, all your gauges are functional, holding good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes nice. Okay guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You can also now subscribe to our website to get a notification every time I post a car. Make sure if you do that, you verify your email address. There's about 15 people right now that aren't getting those emails because they got to verify their email address. Pretty car.
great day, guys.